Azure Stream Analytics is a fully managed, PaaS offering, real-time analytics and complex event processing engine. It offers the possibility to perform real-time analytics on multiple streams of data from sources like IoT device data, sensors, click streams, and social media feeds. Things to know about Azure Stream Analytics. Azure Stream Analytics works on the following concepts: data streams and event processing. 1. Data streams. Continuous data generated by applications, IoT devices, or sensors. Example: used for monitoring industrial equipment, utility pipelines, and real-time data changes. 2. Event processing. Involves consumption and analysis of data streams to extract insights. Example: a car passing through a toll booth with a timestamp for event tracking. The provided image illustrates the Azure Stream Analytics pipeline, which processes real-time data in 3 stages. 1. Ingest. Data is collected from various sources like IoT devices, weather data, customer transactions, logs, and business applications. These are ingested via Event Hubs, Azure Blob Storage, and IoT Hub. 2. Analyze. The data is processed using Azure Stream Analytics, which applies real-time analytics and integrates with SQL databases, blob storage for reference data, and Azure Machine Learning for real-time scoring. 3. Deliver. The analyzed data is sent to different destinations for action, including alerts, event hubs, service bus, Azure Functions, dashboards, Power BI, data warehouses, Azure Synapse Analytics, and storage solutions, SQL-DB, blob storage, Azure Data Lake, Cosmos DB. This pipeline enables businesses to gain continuous intelligence and make real-time decisions based on streaming data. An Azure Stream Analytics job consists of an input, query, and an output. You can do the following tasks with the job output: route data to storage systems like Azure Blob Storage, Azure SQL Database, Azure Data Lake Store, and Azure Cosmos DB. Send data to Power BI for real-time visualization. Store data in a data warehouse service like Azure Synapse Analytics to train a machine learning model based on historical data or perform batch analytics. Trigger custom downstream workflows by sending the data to services like Azure Functions, Azure Service Bus Topics, or Azure Queues. The image illustrates a real-time data processing pipeline using Azure Stream Analytics. Key points include: data collection. Trucks send real-time data, such as speed and fuel levels, to an IoT hub. Data ingestion. The Azure Stream Analytics service receives the streaming data for processing. Data processing. The system analyzes the incoming data to detect patterns, such as speed and fuel consumption. Data output. The processed data is stored in an SQL database for further use. Alerts triggered. Alerts are generated for specific conditions like overspeeding or low fuel. Real-time visualization. The final insights and alerts are displayed on a Power BI dashboard for monitoring. This pipeline enables real-time decision-making and improves operational efficiency in fleet management. Things to consider when using Azure Stream Analytics. 1. Provisioning requirements. Fully managed PaaS, platform as a service, offering. No need to manage hardware or infrastructure. Focus on business logic. 2. Cost considerations. Low-cost solution, built based on streaming units, SaaS, consumed. Scalable pricing. Costs adjust based on CPU, memory usage and business needs. No additional maintenance fees. 3. Implementation options. Can be deployed in the cloud for large-scale analytics. Supports ultra-low latency processing when run on IoT Edge or Azure Stack. 4. Performance. High-speed processing. Can handle millions of events per second. Supports query parallelization for better performance. Ensures low latency results. 5. Security. Uses TLS 1.2 encryption for secure data transmission. No data storage. All processing happens in memory for security and efficiency. Built-in encrypted checkpoints for added security. Azure Stream Analytics provides a secure, scalable, and cost-effective solution for real-time data processing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.